Hi everyone, this is attorney Peter Corrales from Corrales Law Group, and today's date is December 3rd of 2016. I wanted to make this video post-election of November of 2016 to give some sort of news, insight, and information specifically relating to DACA and what's going to happen and what's going on with the process. We've been receiving a lot of phone calls of people that are scared. They're worried their DACA is going to be taken away from them. They're worried about applying for renewals. So I want to address some of those points as best as I can. The reality is that DACA is an executive program. It was started by President Obama in order to protect a certain class of people. But being an executive order means that it didn't go through Congress and that the next president can, in fact, get rid of the program without the approval of Congress. This is a big worry everyone has because Donald Trump has said that he wants to get rid of all the executive orders. This would be one of them. Now, I can say that logistically it would be very difficult for any president to deport the 700,000 people that have applied for DACA at this point. It would be unprecedented. However, there is a real concern because we've all heard of Donald Trump's plans, and he is claiming to want to deport all these people. We don't know whether this will take place or not, but it would be very difficult for anyone to try to take on that task. So we have hope that he won't follow through on that promise and that the people that at least already have DACA will be safe and protected. Also on that front, news came out of Washington, D.C. yesterday out of the Congress that some congressmen are getting together to actually pass a law to protect the people that already have DACA. This would be great because then there would be a lot more assurance that the people that already have DACA will be able to keep that benefit not only through Obama's presidency but also indefinitely into the future. So that's something we'll be looking at, and if something changes with that or does move forward, we'll be making videos to update in regards to that. Now, those that have not applied for DACA yet but qualify, this is a strange time because if you were to submit your application today, it's very unlikely that it would be approved before Donald Trump takes office on January 20th of 2017. So what that means is if you submitted your application today and let's say on the very first day Donald Trump decides to cancel the DACA process, you will have given the government your information, and at the same time you will not receive the benefits. You will lose the filing fees and any other fees that you incurred in filing. So that's definitely a risk. Also with the renewals, the same thing applies. So if you submit your renewal request and it's not approved when or if Donald Trump decides to get rid of the DACA program, you will lose your filing fees and you will have submitted that information. Now with renewals, the government already has your information, so you're not really risking yourself in that sense. The bigger risk is just having to do with losing filing fees and the cost associated with DACA. Another important point is advanced parole. So here in our office, we've been doing a lot of advanced paroles for people that have DACA to go visit either sick family or to go on business trips or school events. Now, again, with advanced parole, it takes a while for approvals to come in. So if you submitted your advanced parole today, there's a very good chance that it won't be approved during Obama's presidency. Now, that's not to say that Donald Trump may not get rid of this program, but if he did, there would be some risk of you losing your money and time. Emergency advanced paroles are still being processed by USCIS, and those are usually approved in 2 or 3 days. So if you have an emergency that you need to travel outside of the United States and you have DACA, you still may want to do that before January 20th of 2016. And if you have questions as to what qualifies as an emergency, you definitely want to talk to an attorney or an immigration specialist. Now, some of the things that we sort of are looking towards the future about, because of what's been said, we don't expect the DACA expansion to go through. We don't expect DAPA for parents to go through. But these things are all unsure. Honestly, there's a lot of uncertainty as to what the new president will do. What you can do right now is try to look for long-term solutions. So a lot of our DACA clients, they use the advanced parole and then adjustment of status to become permanent residents. Now, permanent residency won't change as quickly as DACA because it is a statute. It would have to go through the Congress. So if these options are available to you, now is the time to move forward on these. If you're not sure, definitely speak to an attorney or to an immigration specialist that can help you. There's a lot of great organizations out there, nonprofits, that can help you understand some of these processes like advanced parole to adjustment of status. We do a lot of these cases in our own office. Another thing that's important as far with regards to DACA is fees will increase on December 23rd, 2016. So it's important that if you want to file, if you want to save the change in filing fees, do so soon. The increase will be to $495. So that's something to look at. Actually, all immigration fees, or most of them, are going to be increasing on December 23rd, 2016. So that's something to look at. These are some updates regarding DACA post-Obama. We're all very disappointed in the election results in this office. I know personally I campaigned for Hillary Clinton, but at this time all we can do is move forward. So we hope this video helps, and if there are any other updates, when Donald Trump takes office, we'll make videos to help with that. So again, I'm Peter Corrales. I thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to better news in the future. Thank you.